Good morning, student. Today I will solve question number 58. In my previous video, I have solved question number up to 57. You can see I have tick out. Now this question is based on joint application and allotment money. There is no problem. It is also a simple question as we have solved in my previous video. AB Limited invited application for issuing 75,000 equity shares of 100 each at a premium of 30 per share. The amount was payable as follows. On application and allotment, rupees 85 per share including premium, and on first and final call the balance amount. Application for 1,27,500 share were received. Application for 27,500 share were rejected, so I have left only 1 lakh share and issue is 75,000 share. Now question is saying and share were allotted on pro rata basis for the remaining applicants. Excess money received on application and allotment was adjusted towards sum due on first and final call. The calls were made. A shareholder who applied for 1,000 share failed to pay the first and final call money. His share were forfeited. All the forfeited share were reissued at 150 per shares, fully paid up. Pass necessary journal entries in the entries for the above transaction in the books of AB Limited. And this question was asked in CBSE 2014. Now, student, this is my lecture number 80 of online series. Now, question number 58. So first journal entry will be bank account DR to share capital account, and amount will be on 1,27,500 share at the rate of 85 per share will be. Now we have to calculate 1,27,500 into 85. So amount will be, student, 1,08,37,500. 1,08,37,500. Now I will transfer share application account. Application bank account DR to share application account. Now student, share application account will transfer into share capital account, so journal entry will be share application account DR to share capital account to security premium reserve account to share first and final call account, because I have to adjust also on first and final call, and to bank account. So in bank account, amount will be on 27,500 share at the rate of 85 each, because I have rejected application money on 27,500 share, and amount will be 23 lakh 37,500 in bank account. And in share first and final call, it will be on 25,000 share, because out of remaining 1 lakh share we have to transfer only 75,000 share in share capital account, because I have issued only 75,000 equity share. You can see the question. Now in share first and final call, amount will be at the rate of 85 rupees per share. It will be 21 lakh and 25,000. And in security premium on 75,000 share at the rate of 30 per share, we have to transfer 22 lakh and 50,000 rupees. And in share capital, we will transfer at the rate of on 75,000 share at the rate of rupees 55 each, because out of 85 per share, premium include 30 rupees per share. So we can say that 55 rupees per share transfer into share capital account, and amount will be, student, 41 lakh 25,000, and total amount will be 1 crore 8 lakh 37,500. Now student, first and final call will due. So journal entry will be equity share first and final call account DR to share capital account, and amount will be on 75,000 share at the rate of, question is saying, after application and allotment account on first and final call balance amount. So student, balance amount will be dues 45 rupees, because total price of share will be 130, and out of 130 we have received 85 with application and allotment, so remaining balance will be 45 rupees per share on first and final call. So you can see amount will be due 33 lakh 75,000. Now call money will received, so journal entry will be bank account DR, calls in arrear account DR to share first equity share first and final call account. Now student, amount will be what? So we have to calculate amount received on first and final call, because question is saying a shareholder who applied for 1000 share failed to pay the first and final call money, and he had also paid with advance on application and allotment. It will include in 25,000 share. So first we have to calculate this amount. So let us see. Apply will be 1 lakh share, because out of 1,27,500, 27,500 were rejected. So apply will be remaining 1 lakh share, and allot will be 75,000. So share. So question is saying applied for 1,000 share. So one who applied for 1,000 share, allot will be what? So we can say directly also it will be 750 share, but how? The what equal to 75,000 divided by 1 lakh into 1,000. So it will be 750 shares, and therefore we will calculate extra paid. Now extra paid will be 1,000 minus 750 into 85 per share. It will be 21,250 rupees. Now student, total first and final call money due, we can see it is 33,75,000, and out of 33,75,000 we have received with allotment, application and allotment 21,25,000. So minus received with application and allotment, it will be 21,25,000, and minus not received on first and final call, it will be on 750 share at the rate of 45 each. So it will be 33,750 rupees, and plus extra paid we have calculated already 21,250 rupees. So we can say that first and final call money received equal to, it will be 12,37,500. 12,37,500. And now I will put we do not need to mention calls in area. We can direct write this balance 12,37,500, 12,37,500, 12,37,500 in debit and credit. Also bank account to share first and final call account we can write direct. Now student, these shares were forfeited, so journal entry will be share capital account DR to share. We can also write to calls in arrear account to share forfeiture account. And on 750 shares at the rate of 100 each, amount will be 75,000. And in calls in arrear, amount will be 12,500. But how? You can see, out of total money not received on first and final call 33,750, I have received in advance or extra paid 21,250. So student, it will remain 12,500. So only 12,500 will be in calls in arrear, and remaining balance 62,500 will be in share forfeiture account. Now reissue, journal entry will be for bank account DR to share capital account to security premium reserve account, and amount will be now on 750 share at the rate of 150, because question is saying forfeited share were reissued at 150 per share fully paid up. So on 750 share at the rate of 150 rupees, amount will be 1,12,500, 1,12,500, and the face value of share is 100, so it will be 75,000 in share capital, and at the rate of 50 per share on 750 share, 37,500 will be in security premium reserve account. Now student, it will be on 750 into 50, and it will capture capital account will be 750 into 100. Now student, we have to transfer balance amount in capital reserve. So journal entry will be share for feature account DR to capital reserve account. And amount will be, now you can see I have forfeited 750 share and forfeiture amount is 62,500, and there is no loss in this question because we have reissued share on security premium. So we can say all the forfeiture amount will transfer into capital reserve. So it will be 62,500. So student, this is the solution of this question. You can see this is your question, and this is the solution of this question now, and this is a working note of this question. Thank you very much. I will meet you in next video with next question.